the true reviews, and today we're unboxing Bullymake. So I'm way late. What's new? I just got out of the shower, so I'm like fresh face, just in my skincare. My hair's all wet, so I look kind of crazy. Anyway, we're traveling for Easter, and Pennsylvania lifted its traveling restrictions. I do not have to quarantine when I travel, so that is wonderful, and we will be traveling. So I'm getting in a whole bunch of unboxings today. This is the Bullymake box for February. So if you're not familiar with Bullymake, this is a $39 a month subscription box for dogs that love to chew. Every box comes with 2 toys, 1 rubber, 1 nylon, and then 3 treats that are all natural, grain-free, and all that good stuff. So if you have a dog that has sensitivities, this is definitely a subscription box that you're going to want to try out. I do have a $5 off coupon code. I will put that down in the description. I'll also link to my full review on my blog, which is not up and running right now. You guys want to rant? I have a rant. I was not able to upload photos to my blog last Friday. Today is Tuesday. And I was like, oh, it's a fluke. I got to restart my computer. But, you know, diversion moment, I didn't do that. And then I didn't do anything all weekend. So then yesterday I was like, all right, I have to try. And I was like, it's not working. It's still not. No, Sunday I did it. And I was like, oh, it's still not working. I'm going to have to call my host. 4 calls later, $80 later. I'm still not solved, but somebody's working on it, and it's not me. That's all that matters. Anyway, so I'll put this there eventually. I'm out of commish for now. All right, so we have our insert Bullymake box, February. On the back here, they show you their featured toys that are in this box. The boxes are always themed, which is really cute. It's as much aesthetic as it is for the owner as it is for the dog. So I like that. So first we have the Bullymake duck tenders. And they're all pink. And then they do have on the back, it lists the guaranteed analysis with all the crude protein, fat, fiber, and moisture. And then they have an ingredients list. This one is primarily duck and turkey. They do have a calorie content and then serving suggestions as well. This is a 3.75 ounce bag. Next, we have the Bullymake heart. So these are little heart-shaped treats, and the bag has hearts and paws on it. So cute. These are primarily beef and vegetable. There's lots of other things in there too, but same analysis and all that stuff on here. And this is a 4.5 ounce bag. I donate these, so I'm not going to open them on this unboxing. Seems like the right thing to do considering I don't have a dog. They send these to me for review, FYI. Let's get that out of there. All right. Bacon bear bites. Are these little, oh, they're little shaped like little bear heads. These are made mostly with bacon fat, and some other stuff. But yeah, so there's that. And some other stuff. There's that. These are 4.5 ounces. All right, we're going to move on to the toys for this month. So there's a giant nylon kiss. So these are super sturdy. I don't know if you can like hear it. It's like super, like a, imagine one of those plastic plates, but like way thicker. That's what this is. And I give these sometimes to my neighbor. They have a lab. They love to chew, you know. So they still have ones from long ago floating around their house. So these are adorable. They do also have a 14-day guarantee on the toy. So if your dog chews it up within 14 days of receiving it, they'll replace it. All right. And then our other toy, this is our rubber toy. These are 100% manufactured and sourced here in the United States as well. It's a little teddy bear. It has the Bullymake logo, and then it says Bullymake on the back. You do have a spot to put treats and stuff like that in it, and then there's a little hole at the top for air, I guess. I don't know what that's for. All right, so for your $39 spend, you get your rubber toy, your nylon toy, and apparently 1, 2, 3 treats. All right, so that is my February Bullymake subscription box unboxing. If you're interested in checking them out, like I said, do that down below, and also check out my blog because it's cool. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.